What's up, YouTube gang, man? It's your boy Coleman back with another banger, man. Hey, we finna prank Pops, man. Hey, let me tell y'all something. This man so damn funny, bro. What make him so funny? He stutter a lot. Pay attention to him. Y'all gotta watch this man. But look, we finna go sit up now. I'm gonna get right back at y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, so hold up. So right now, I just had to run from my way back down there. But we finna get Mondoose to tell him. Cause if I do it, he gonna already know, like he gonna already know it's a prank. But Mondoose tell her she know how to put on a serious face and all that, so we won't get her to tell him that somebody came in, repoed his truck or whatever. Yeah. But we'll get back at y'all, man. Just be like, put a serious face on, but like, damn, somebody see. Why they? Yeah.
Somebody said this Walmart so get my dice and stuff. The fuck is King here? Get in the room.
Oh, he gonna think King.
Where the fuck your truck at? Huh? Where the fuck your truck at? You let King drive your truck somewhere?
Oh man.
What's your truck? King, you truck down here, Daddy?
That truck gone.
Was that loud?
Yeah, that was that other. Yeah.
I thought you was in your daddy's truck. The motherfucker ain't in the go. I paid the goddamn. What the fuck?
Oh man.
Call the police. How the fuck would all of us sitting here?
Crystal said she heard a loud noise, but I don't think nobody got up. Mama!
The fuck? Call the damn police.
I mean, they would have to have a fucking key.
What hell, you know, motherfuckers, they got a damn key if you still paying on it. Where the phone at?
I don't know.
Where's my phone?
We thought we heard somebody out though.
Where's my phone? Oh my goddamn phone. Where's my phone? Is it in there? What y'all motherfuckers y'all know you cussed out.
So that truck gone and everything.
It's hard out here. You got here. It's gonna get sick.
I'm recording for y'all so we can show them.
Show the police.
Yeah.
Did you?
Nah, dude, it's a prank. Huh?
It's a prank!
Look, I dialed 911. I said 911.
He ain't know what to do, man.
Look, he came outside with hands on the hip.
Hey, so that's the prank, man. We got him, you know. He ain't know what was going on, but look, I think we're gonna do another one before we leave. So make sure y'all stay tuned when y'all watch this video. Make sure y'all stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching. It's really a long walk. But yeah, that's why I had the truck parked that over here though. Ain't too far. It's probably the police ain't came yet. They be having this little area over here on lockdown. People just come over here, park and do their thing, you know what I mean? Look, they done put up cameras and everything. But yeah, man.